Hey Siri, volume down. Hello, Jim Robinson.
Hey, Dennis Curley. It seems like we're in a new place.
It's like a whole new world.
Yeah.
It's just incredible.
Welcome to our new home. We're in the breakfast nook.
The breakfast nook of the new home. It's the new place.
Yeah, and so we're going to be starting a new series of Cooking by Ear
With Jim and
Dennis. You know, what are we making today?
well, today we're making an Indian, well, actually a South Asian specialty, right? Because you can find this in Bangladesh and Pakistan and India, right?
Yeah.
And it's described as India's answer to chicken soup, as I understand it. And
Comfort food.
Comfort,
Yeah.
It's comfort food.
Right.
It's comfort food. I believe it's called Kitchari or Kidri, or it's probably pronounced a million different ways.
But before we get really into it, I do want to thank my roommate, Reza, from the Asian University for Women in Chittagong, Bangladesh.
Hi, Reza. We met over FaceTime.
Yeah, he would make kitchari while I was eating in the canteen at school, and the canteen was good. I'm not throwing shade, but his kitchari was amazing.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And we're doing it in a new and unique way. Well, I mean, we've never made it before.
No.
But we're going to be, we got, for Christmas for Jim, we got an Instant Pot. So we're going to be making it in a pressure cooker, which apparently is one of the preferred ways to make this dish.
Right, and given the political situation, we thought, why not do a microcosm of the macrocosm by using pressure cooker.
I would like to point out that this beautiful tablecloth was a gift to us from Martha and Michael Petty. Thank you, Martha and Michael.
Mm-hmm. And we also have another tablecloth from Zorawar Mystery, who, along with Leslie Orr, used to own Dreamland Arts, and that's in the other room at the moment.
It will be periodically displayed in here, so don't worry, you're going to see a lot of cool stuff.
Yeah.
New kitchen, new house, new season, so many things to see. I can't even wait.
Yeah. Oh, and we have about 3/4 of an inch of snow.
New snow.
Ready for more. Anyway, should we get started?
Let's get started. Hey Siri, volume up. What you doing, Jim?
I am rinsing the half cup
Half cup.
of California basmati rice and the half cup of the split red lentils. Now I want to point something out. We're on our 6th rinse. We want to keep rinsing it till the water runs clear. But this is California white basmati rice. Now, I have to say this to Josh Carson, and I want to thank Grace Hare for recently on Instagram driving this point home. If you're from California, you never say Cali. Never. So this is California basmati rice.
Not Cali.
Not Cali. I'm a native-born Californian. No one says Cali.
So if I were, for example, in the OC?
No, you're in Orange County.
And if I were in SoCal?
No, you're in Southern California.
Don't say SoCal?
Yeah, and again, I don't mean to be a pedantic martinet or a harridan about it, but you don't say Cali. Anyway, this is on its 6th rinse. I'm doing its 7th rinse. We have to keep rinsing it until the water runs clear, which again, I think sounds kind of poetic, like a river runs through it.
Aww.
Also, Stephen Brooks, thank you.
Oh, Fran and Tom Curley, aprons. This one's a little dirty, but that just means I've been cooking with it.
We also want to thank Carol Ekman and Melinda Hughes.
Oh yes, we're using a bunch of measuring utensils from Carol. These are like digital. I say digital, but what I mean is metric. And these are from Melinda, and we want to thank Deb Curley and Anne-Marie Bossert for other, look at this, isn't this the cutest little, oh, look at that. I'm actually using it as a ramekin, but this is a 1/4 cup measuring thingy with a handle shaped like a kitty.
The water ran clear.
Oh my goodness, are we there?
Yeah,
Oh.
the California basmati rice.
Okay.
Check out this contraption. This is the pressure cooker.
Instant Pot.
And
Does it have a name yet?
we haven't named it yet.
We haven't named it
In
yet.
fact, if anybody wants to write in with a suggestion, please do so. And if you write in, we'll give you the new address. Again, you don't have to send new stuff.
Oh yeah, since we've moved,
Yeah, we're doing
still
just
accepting submissions for
what.
stuff.
Yeah, please, whatever.
Don't worry
Yeah,
about it.
yeah.
It's fine. Anyway, we've set this in saute mode. It is preheating. As soon as it's ready, we'll be right back with you, and we'll tell you what's going to happen then. What have you got there, Jim?
I have a tablespoon of ghee.
Ghee. Tell me what is ghee?
Ghee is clarified butter. It's used in a lot of South Asian cooking.
Yes.
What amazes me, again, I'm not a chemist, is that this ghee has been sitting in the cupboard. Yeah, and it's actually made the move to the new house.
Sorry.
Unrefrigerated, and it doesn't seem to be rancid.
No.
That's incredible.
Amazing. We'll find out.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it
I
in.
know it's not rancid. Anyway, so this is now going in saute mode. Go ahead and add the tablespoon of ghee, and then we've got cumin seeds, and now it called for something that we're going to butcher pronunciation-wise. I'm going to give it a crack first. Asafoetida. Asafoetida?
I'm gonna say
Asafoetida.
Asafoetida. I think that just sounds more,
Urbane.
I don't know what it sounds like.
Yeah, it's basically I don't know. It's an herb mixer. Apparently, it's great. We couldn't find it anywhere, so we are subbing equal parts onion powder and garlic powder. So the ghee is going to. Oh gosh, look at how fast that goes.
Yeah.
So the ghee is now liquid, and we're gonna dump in these seeds here, and we wait until the seeds start to sizzle.
So before the smoke detector brings everything to a screeching halt, we're going to add the California basmati rice and the split red lentils.
Yep, and water.
Whoa! I'll add some water.
We also have salt and turmeric. Add those in there. Look at that. Cat. Now, we're going to stir this all up, and then we were going to turn it into pressure cooker mode and pressure cook it for not very long. I don't know. Does anybody need to see that part?
What seems amazing to me is that it happens so quickly.
Yeah. We're pretty much just pressure cooking it for 6 minutes. Unbelievable.
So this is my first experience with a pressure cooker. Unless they're like a rice cooker. Is a rice cooker a pressure
No,
cooker?
I don't
Okay.
think a rice cooker is pressure.
Could have looked this up instead of brought everybody
No, let's
into my
wing right.
confusion.
Let's just
Yeah.
wing our way
Wing
into it.
Yeah.
Wing it. I see. It's pressure cooking right now because it says "Do not open lid," which is a suggestion that it's under immense pressure. As I was telling Jim earlier, when I was a student in France, my French mother. Sorry, Mom. My French mother used a pressure cooker all the time. Actually, it was hilarious because she'd be in the kitchen, and it's like a big, it's like a 5-quart, 6-quart, whatever pan with a lid that would go over the top, and it's crank the lid on. And it would have this little whistle spinner thing. But she'd be like throwing things in there with a cigarette, like the ash is getting longer and longer as she's just throwing shit. I thought it was hilarious. And then she would like close it up, and it would be on the stove, pressure cooking. And I always thought it seemed terrifying. But I just stayed out of the kitchen. Look how close we're standing to it.
Yeah, this seems risky, which might kind of add to the excitement if the kitchery doesn't turn out very good. Reza, I want you to know that this is no reflection on you. You are an amazing cook, and
We'll see how this goes.
we'll see how it goes.
No judgment.
Yeah, no pressure.
How do you like your new house, buddy? You like it? Yeah. You pretty happy? All right, good boy. Omelet, do you like your new house? Oh, sweet boy. Yes, I know. We don't want the camera light is on. We don't like that.
Well, 6 minutes have passed, and we've been instructed not to let the steam out. So the steam is going to, what would it be, evaporate?
Release itself naturally.
Release itself naturally. So I don't know that would be interesting for you to watch, since we can't see it happening. We can only believe that it's happening, although this is science, so it goes beyond belief. It's based in fact. But it's happening right now. I'm going to take this from Dennis.
Voila le instant pot. The terrifying moment is at hand.
I know.
It says Okay to open lid. So you have to believe the machine is not lying, right? So should we just do it? Yeah.
Yeah. This will be good on YouTube.
How's it smell?
Oh, it smells good. Now, we also decided
it
to
does smell
use
good.
less water
Yeah.
To counterbalance what they call
put
the
this over here.
porridge consistency.
That's right.
So I'm going to take this ladle here and see if it is more like a, I don't know if biryani is even the right word, because it's not a biryani. God, I'm sorry. But here we go. Ooh,
Ooh, look at that.
wow.
You can't see it, but you're gonna in a minute.
In fact, what I'm going to do, I'll narrate my action.
Yes, narrate your. Here, I'll narrate with that.
Okay, why don't you narrate? Okay, look.
He's going. Look, he's using a ladle and he's scooping out.
Oh, wow, that is really amazing.
Oh, that looks beautiful. Here, show that much just to so it doesn't tip over. Here we go. Look at this. Look at that. Gorgeous. You can't smell it, but ooh.
How odd that they were red lentils, but these are yellow.
I know. These are the mysteries of life. How about we join you on the other side after we've tasted it, or you'll watch us taste it.
Watch us taste it.
Here we are in the tasting kitchen.
Yes.
Oh my goodness! I'm gonna say, it is. The consistency is awesome. It's like dal plus rice. I mean, is that fair?
That's essentially what it is.
And it smells amazing. Remember, this is comfort food, so it might be a little on the bland side. This recipe, I suppose it can be spiced up. Do you want to go first?
Yeah.
You've had it before, so. Very exciting.
Hope it's not too hot. You ready? Here we go.
Okay.
Very hot.
Very hot.
Very hot.
Okay. We could talk about other
Let's
things.
talk about other things.
Okay.
Yeah.
We know that these placemats don't go with this beautiful tablecloth. This is all a work in progress. Someday we'll take you on a tour of the house. There is a green room. There's a blue room. There's
An
an
upstairs
lounge and a downstairs. Formal living room, formal dining room.
Yeah.
We've got some really nice colors going on. This room, however, is a work in progress. There are 3 different wall colors right now. We're really liking this tablecloth, if you can imagine it without these placemats. We're thinking French country. Anyway, there, I've talked enough.
That's nice.
All
Yeah.
right.
Also, there's a law that went into effect in California on January 1st that between 1st and 6th grade, children are going to be taught cursive writing again.
Oh my goodness.
Apparently,
That's
there
great.
is some connection between the skills that you use to write in cursive and language acquisition and literacy.
And maybe cooking. I better blow on my taste first. What do you think? Thoughts?
Yeah, it's. First of all, the consistency is great.
Excellent.
It smells nice. It is a bit bland.
Fair.
Yeah.
Okay. But nicely salty, which I guess you'd want in a comfort food, right?
Yeah.
It's bland, it's salty, it would revive you, it would give you energy.
I could see this on a cold afternoon. We're heading into a very cold snap here, and I read
Oh, it's delicious.
that you can add plain yogurt to this. I think if this were spicier and you added the plain yogurt, that'd be incredible.
Yeah. I'd say, well, first of all, for the first use of the Instant Pot, thumbs up to the makers of the Instant Pot. That's pretty great. And, oh, by the way, it took about 24 minutes to for the pressure to release naturally. And apparently during that time, the food continues to cook. So while it only cooked for 6 minutes under full pressure, then an additional 24 minutes while the pressure was released. Interesting factoid.
Yeah.
This is delicious.
Yeah, I look forward to another Kitchari.
Yes.
Reza, thank you. I do wish you were here for many, many reasons. You were a very enjoyable company. But also that you could taste this and then also be our guide into the wonderful world of Kitchari. God, that was cheesy.
It's perfect.
Cheesy.
Keep every word of it.
But Reza, thank you.
All right. See you all next time.